In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Watch Ultra 3 without iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, this is going to depend on whether or not you have connected your Apple Watch to your iPhone. If you have previously connected it, then you can use most of the features available on your Apple Watch, even if it isn't connected to an iPhone or even connected to a Wi-Fi network at all. But of course, if you have never set it up and you didn't connect it to an iPhone previously, it is still on the setup screen, then most likely you won't be able to access anything. Assuming that you have an iPhone and you can pair it up once, even if you go far away from the iPhone, you can still use it. What's going to happen is that this icon here will pop up. So as you can see, it is an iPhone crossed out. This indicates that the Apple Watch and the iPhone are too far apart. Now, some applications will become unavailable, but you can still use most of them. So as long as you have access to a Wi-Fi network, you can use anything that relies on an active network connection. For example, Spotify. You can open the app and play any songs because it works standalone. Applications that require your iPhone to be in close proximity, either related to customization, maybe something that tracks your data, will not work because those are going to be dependent on the connection. But anything related to communication, connection, and safety, media, and payments should work as long as you have a Wi-Fi or cellular connection active. Just open individual applications and see if it works. I recommend trying it out because it can really vary what can and cannot be done. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make our bloody videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.